So now let's see how we can work around with the basic navigation inside a Photopea. So over here you can see that I have an image, and what I can do is I can go around and then utilize control on my keyboard right here, hold it to and then utilize scroll mouse button to zoom in and zoom out right here. So you can go around, hold control and then point on a specific location right here to zoom in and zoom out right here, just like this. I can utilize the scroll mouse button to scroll down and up right here, just like this as well, right here, just like this. So scroll up, scroll down. You can also go around, click on the middle mouse button to click and drag this image around wherever you want right here. Click and drag out the middle mouse button and then you can move it out right here, just like this. So let's just go around, click and drag it. You can navigate it around wherever you want. Let's just go around, hold control and then utilize the scroll mouse button as well, just like this. So that is what you have. So now you can go around and utilize this out. So apart from this, you can also go around onto this right here, the zoom tool over here on the left hand side. So if you were to go around onto the zoom tool, you can go around over here and go for pixel to pixel, fit to the area, see all the document right here, just like this as well. And then you got the option right here. So I can click right here to zoom in right here after you select the plus button out right here, and once you click around on the minus, you can zoom out as well. If I were to go around and utilize the hand tool, then I can click and drag this around right here, just like this. So that is what you have. You can go around, utilize the hand tool right here to navigate around as well. Utilize the zoom tool right here, just like this, to go around and zoom in, let's say for example to a particular area, and utilize the hand tool right here to click and drag out and navigate to the different sections, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go around and utilize the basic navigation inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.